this is how you can mirror a video using Canva. First, you have to insert a video into your Canva document. I'm going to search for a video using the Canva stock library. Let's try the keyword woman standing in a park. Let's navigate the videos, and I'm going to try one of these options. Let's try this option. And yeah, I'm going to make this video to be mirrored. So what you can do is really simple. You just need to click on the video and you can click flip like that, and it will basically flip or mirror the video. But I want to create something more interesting. So let's try making this video slightly bigger, and I want to create some sort of reflection effect at the bottom. So after that, I'm going to duplicate, and the second video, I'm going to flip it to vertically. Let's put it here. And also I'm going to add some dark gradient, or maybe white gradient is better. Let's try graphics. Let's try this option, and I'm going to put it around here, and we'll get this result. So this is the final result. Let's play it. So yeah, the two videos are playing at the same time and it's mirroring one each other. I think it looks pretty cool depending on the video that you are trying to build. But I think this is one example where you can use the mirror effect to create a unique perspective on the video. But anyway, that's how you can mirror a video in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.